Hey everyone, welcome back to Zach's PixelPlay. Today we're creating a stunning Instagram ad post like this one, all within Canva. Let's get started. First things first, let's start with a blank canvas. I'm going with a 4:5 aspect ratio, which is perfect for Instagram. For the background, I'm using a minimal solid color for a clean and modern look. Then, I add a rectangular shape and adjust it to cover half the canvas width. I change the rectangle's color to black for some bold contrast. Now, upload your main object. In my case, it's a t-shirt. Once added, I remove the background using Canva's background remover tool. To enhance the contrast, I flip the t-shirt horizontally, a small trick that makes a big difference. For precise alignment, let's add guides. Go to File, Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides, or simply press Shift+R. Once the guides are added, lock them in place so they don't move accidentally. It's time to add some engaging text. Choose a font that fits your design style. Experiment with size, alignment, and placement until it looks just right. At the top right corner, I'm adding the brand logo and name. For now, I'm using a minimalist logo from Canva's Elements library. For a modern touch, go to Effects and apply the hollow effect to your text. Adjust the thickness and decrease the transparency for a subtle look. Add a dawdle element to increase the eye catchiness. Let's add some important details to the bottom of the canvas. Search for a globe icon and a call icon in Elements. Then change their color to white. Resize and align them perfectly using the guides. Add your website URL and phone number next to the icons. For audience engagement, I'm adding a bold 30% off badge. You can also use Shop Now or any other call to action text to grab attention. Finally, let's sprinkle in some doodle elements to make the design more eye-catching. Position these elements thoughtfully for a polished and creative look. And there you have it, your very own Instagram ad post design. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. For more design tips and tricks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zach's PixelPlay. See you in the next video.